Hey guys, my name is Francisco Hernandez, and today's video is actually a quick one because today I just want to talk about some really awesome deals that are going on right now at Adorama involving the Xplor 400 Pro, also known as the Godox Ad400 Pro. I've actually been using the Xplor 400 Pro almost exclusively for more than a year now since the light came out, and I've taken some really great images that I'm really happy with using the light. It's actually a great combination of power and portability, so I highly recommend this light, and you guys really need to take advantage of these deals. Right now you can get 25% off 3 different kits involving the Xplor 400 Pro that I'm going to go ahead and just show on the screen right now. As you can see, all 3 of these kits include the Xplor 400 Pro, the Flashpoint C-stand, which is the stand that I highly recommend, and your choice of 3 different types of modifiers: the 20-inch deep parabolic softbox, the 34-inch glow beauty dish, and the 48-inch glow octabox. If you're new to Flash, the only thing that you need to get in addition to the 3 products that are going to be in the kit that you decide to order is a transmitter, and you need to get one that matches your camera system. If you're unsure which type of modifier you want to get, I would say to go based off of the amount of people that you plan to photograph. The 20-inch deep parabolic softbox is good enough for 1 person, the 34-inch glow beauty dish is good enough for about maybe 3 people, and the 48-inch glow octabox is good enough to maybe around 5 to 6 people. If you want to take advantage of this deal, all you have to do is follow the link that's going to be at the top of the description area below. If you already signed up on either my Instagram, my Facebook group, Rob's video on this deal as well, or anywhere else, you don't need to do so again. The link is going to lead you to a form that's going to ask you which kit that you want to order, and once the day of the deal happens on the 13th, you're going to get an email letting you know just exactly what you need to do to get that 25% off of the kit. Make sure to check your spam folder as well to see if the email regarding this deal appears there so that you can actually take advantage of this deal and get your 25% off. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I've been using this strobe for more than a year now because it's actually my favorite strobe to date from Godox. It's portable, which is very convenient whenever I need to travel since it fits inside my Peak Design 20L backpack. It's powerful, which is really helpful here in the Texas sun. It has a great power range, so it fits pretty much the needs of both my 8200 and my 8600 Pro. And it also has a great modding lamp, which I've used whenever I need to shoot at night or late afternoon. You know how some people say, what's your desert island song, movie, or TV show, or anything like that? Well, if somebody asked me, what's your desert island strobe? I'd have to say the Xplor 400 Pro because it honestly is a great all-around strobe. It can go really strong, it can go really low, it has that bright modding lamp, and seriously, it's just perfect for me, and I hope that it's going to be perfect for you guys as well. So that's pretty much it. I really want you guys to take advantage of this deal, so please, if you have the chance to do so, please do so, because I don't think even Black Friday is going to have a good enough deal like these 3 kits are. And if for some reason you can't take advantage of this deal yourself, but you know somebody who's interested in getting the Xplor 400 Pro, please do let them know about these kits and the fact that there are 25% off, because I highly recommend this deal, like I've said countless times throughout this video. I've already made a couple videos using this light. I'll leave links to those in the description area below. And I do plan to make future videos regarding this light, so I hope you guys stay tuned to see those. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys want to see future deals, please be sure to join my Facebook lighting group called Learn to Light and Off-Camera Flash Lighting Community. I tend to post deals there first. Alright, so now I'm done. I'll go ahead and just leave the end of the video with some photos that I've taken using this light, as well as behind the scenes shots of those photos as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.